Thank you. Oh, it tastes good. Mickey, look. Mickey.
Ik denk helemaal afdrinken.
They didn't change it, and it's not afterwards built, but it's still the old buildings.
Wow. Amazing. So, we are entering now. Okay, so this is the famous Christmas village here in wow. Guys, sobrang lamig. So, tiis lamig tayo ngayon. Pasyal ko po kayo. 22nd of December. Nilalaw ko ang aking kapatid. Ayan si kapatid. At si Mikael. Hi! Ang ganda guys. Pero sobrang lamig. Tinene. Kalimutan ko magdala ng guantes.
Ito pa lang kapatid ko. Pero tingnan mo mali. Ito yung mga tradition nila dito. Ayan, cute. Picture na. Mga tradition nila. So, ang siste, cameraman ako nito. Tapos ko napakalamig. Ito yung ano nila yung parang old Christmas market nandito. Papunta kami doon sa old Christmas market. So, tingnan mo yung mga old houses nila dito. Yan. Old houses. Next, send. Gawa na lang picture. Send mo na lang sa akin itong mga old houses. So, nagpunta na kami dito.
Tao, tingnan mo, ang ganda.
Hindi na ako nakapag-picture. Tingnan.
So guys, this is, oh wow, look at that.
This can be short. That must be a common soul.
So, ito yung gustong-gusto ng puntahan magkapatid. First time nating makapasalta, no? Bago mag-Christmas kasi madalas. Oh, I mean, kasi dumadating ako dito, 'di ba? Ano? Oh, wow. Michaela, look.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's good.
That's nice.
Oh,
I've been
got the little one. Scald, Mikael.
Like living.
Mamumula si Dudong sa lalamig.
Tradition nila dati. Dito din sila dati.
Yeah, winter wonderland talaga, no? That was like a long time ago. My God, that small piece is 485 euros. My goodness, it's so expensive. So this is the famous Christmas village here in Germany. Pero guys, tingnan nyo guys, wala. Nakalimutan ko yung guantes ko. Kapatid ko. Saan? Oh wow, that looks so good. Oh wow. My goodness. Ganda oh. My goodness.
That's the town hall.
Ah, that's the town hall. Oh my. Wow. Look at that. Grabe, ang ganda
They
guys.
say that's the main place.
Ah.
It's a long. You can go down here and up here to the other side.
Okay.
It's quite big.
Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. It's napakaganda naman guys ng ano, town hall nila. Tingnan mo naman yun guys, oh. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful here. Look at that. Ang aking pamangkin. Hello! Hi, Mikael! Ang ganda, no? Ayan.
Mickey, guys, buenos
Malaking Christmas tree. Tsaka yan eh yung mga ano, Christmas market. Ayan, Diyos ko guys. Ano, post muna natin. Grabe, lamig na lamig si Inday. Guys, look at the year. 1681. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda guys. Grabe. Ito yung parang ito yung pinakamagandang napuntahan kong town hall sa buong Europe.
Grabe naman,
Hindi nga, maliit pero sobrang ganda niya. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, dun sa tao. May tao dun, oh. Ayun, oh, may tao dun. Sa taas. Lamig naman guys. Usok-usok ang aking hininga. Kailangan natin bumili ng guantes. Ayan o, ganyan yung traditional Christmas tree nila. Traditional Christmas tree. Totoong ano talaga siya guys. Hawakan natin. Ayan, totoo siya. Pine tree. Ganyan lang yung ginagawa nila dito. So, ayan. Wow, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda guys. So, kailangan natin bumili ng guantes. Mga kababayan. Famous video. Viewing. 5 euros for the video. Brexit. Wow. This place is amazing. Lovely. Oh, Brexit. You want Brexit? Huh? Oh wow, look at that guys. And the sad story is I forgot to charge my phone last night in the hotel.
Tapos natin, kanina pa sila na lumabas.
Ano meron?
Ayun oh, may bukas yan para may dalawang uniform.
Hindi ko nakita, sayang. Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit nakatingin sila lahat sa taas?
Ano na close na?
Ayun yung relo, mayroon daw kanina yun. So, guys, lobat si Inday. Kainis kung kailan ang ganda-ganda ng lugar. So guys, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ang itsura. It's so cold in here. This is the red wine. Hot red wine. Bakit? Kung gaano ka lamig guys. Kita nyo, usok-usok ang lamig. So, feeling ko, hindi natin ito maikot lahat dahil wala akong battery. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano ako balik. It's an old person. Let's get inside. Ay, tingnan nyo yung pamangkin ko. Hirap na masyadong ganito guys. Lamig. Pero, oh wow.
Dan heb ik ze direct zo. Ja, hoor dan. Zo ben je dan ook ouder door het op. En dan hebben we afvuur, dat is een beetje meegekregen.